This is Hell Slayer once again, and I'm back with more memory. Yeah, I know I'm gonna continue this game since it's a puzzle game. I'm not really good at those. But anyway, guys, let's get started. And if you can see, somebody else is playing on my thing, so I'm gonna just continue my game. Here we go. How do I do this again? Let's see. Blue. Rose. Blue. Some blue over here. Blue. Blue. Was it? Blue. That's what you gotta do, guys. You always gotta switch both of them. You have to put that code and that code. Makes sense. This is an idiot. What is it? Blue, green, blue, green. There's a blue. Blue, green, red. Blue. Oh god, what happened? Where am I looking? I'm lost. Where am I? I'm gonna look at it. Okay, blue, green, red. Green. Oh god. Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. Blue, green, blue, red. Blue, green, blue, red. Oh god, come on. Sorry, I got it wrong. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Blue, green, blue. Blue, green, blue. Yeah, that one done. Yay. Finally. Blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Blue, yellow. Blue, yellow. Oh my god, guys. Blue, yellow. Yes, finally. I finally beat it. Thank God. Oh my god. What is this? Blue card, green card, red card, and a yellow card. I'm gonna do the red card first, because red is my favorite color. Go, red card, go! This red train. Where's it going? Let's go to the blue train. Let's go to the blue one. No, the blue one's bad. Don't go there. Slow down. Weird. Where the blue one go? Go, blue one. Oh, they're following each other. Who do you follow? You must follow the yellow one. Oh, cool. I think you guys following the yellow one. Come here, yellow one. Oh, and the yellow one follows me. That's cool. Let's get you over here. Let's get onto the tracks. So let's see. Go on over here, yellow. Alright, now come over here. Make a sharp turn and turn over here. Oh, come on this way. Keep driving. Come on, you two, start lagging in the back. Come on, red one, come on. Keep turning. almost there. Hope it work. Come on, keep turning. And there we go. Gotcha. And this is blue. Come on, yellow. Come on. Yeah, I got directly on there. This is what I do. That's gonna be kind of hard. Come on. Come on over here. Come on, train. Come on, train. Run across. Come on, this way. Come on. That'd be really cool if you get to do this in real life, like take trains and be able to follow each other, have one following you. That'd be awesome. Turn over a bit. The blue get directly on it. There we go. And boop. That's yellow one. Get the green one. Come on, green over here. Are you stuck on a blue one? Get unstuck. Come on, turn this way. Come on, follow me. Follow me on this way. Come on. No, come back, blue. I'm such an idiot. That was dumb of me. I shouldn't have clicked it. I didn't expect it to actually move. That was kind of funny. He would have took off towards the green one. He was like, oh, I want you. Come here. I think you can go back on here again. I'm blue over here. Oh yeah, let's turn the right way. Come on. This way. Come on. I know you're getting slowly up close to me. Don't get too close. I got pressure problems. Too close problems. Whatever it's called. Claustrophobia. I cannot do this in real life. I cannot be stuck like rooms that just got like numbers and stuff. They are the perfect thing. Okay, now come on here, green one. Bring this yellow one over here in this stupid level. This is taking too long. Can he go on like that? Can he go on sideways? Yeah, let's see. Come on, yellow. Keep driving. But he did work. He did work sideways. Cool. Come on, yellow one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get open. Now follow me. Okay, get me again. That sucks. Oh God, for numbers. How does this work? International Morse code. Morse code. Oh God, how Morse codes work. Let's see. Flash, 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 flash. So a bunch of flashes is number 1, right? That's 5. So let's go try out 5. Pause, pause, flash, flash, flash. Alright, so the 2 pauses and then the rest are flashes. So that's 7. Should be 7. Okay. What do we do now? Pause, flash, 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 flash. Where did you go? You go. Alright, pause, pause, flash, flash, flash. The pause and last one is a flash. Which one's mine? Am I doing this right? I don't know if I'm doing this right. Let's take a Morse code. Push. Let's see. Pause. Pause. Flash. 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 Pause. I want like that. Pause. Pause. Flash. 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 Pause. I think I did a little bit. Let's see. Pause. 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 Flash. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flash. 2 pause and 4 flash. Set up here. Let's just try out. What is it? 7 again. Oh, but that's not it. God damn it all day. Really 100 combination numbers I could try to use. Let's try 8, 6, 9. So 1, 5, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. God, I can be here all day doing this. God dang it. You might not know how to do Morse code, because I don't know how to do this. You guys could like leave like a comment on how to do this, because I really have no clue. I don't know how this stupid button works. You're gonna click on YouTube work. Just work. I gotta look how Morse codes work. That might be a lot easier. Right, look it up and see how it works, and then like come back and try this. I don't know. Depends on how I feel right now. Right now, I'm not feeling good. Morse code. How do Morse codes work? Oh my god. The Morse codes in Ponyo. I don't know. Let's go try numbers. Let's try 2, 3, 4, 8. Go like 2 numbers. It'll be somewhere easy. I just keep on flipping through and through until I get to a number. 4 is a lot more difficult. You know the pattern goes in. It could be flashing for number. It flash like the 3rd one or the 4th one or the 5th one. The first one, I don't know. I had to do this. Oh my god, it's so annoying. I'm gonna have Mona help with this. You'll have to talk easier. I do not do Morse code. This is just stupid and hard. Look how fast man leads through numbers. I might just get it. But Philip is pretty cool. Philip makes you actually very good in here. But it had this VR. It might be very awesome. Do you know at the time? tear you down. There's no way we find. This is fighting for the third digit. Who knows? God. Pause. Pause. Dash. 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 It's still 7. I can lock in at the number that's supposed to be at. So 777. Oh my god. Oh god. How many minutes has it been? I don't know. I might end the video here and try to figure this out later. Because I will never get this on my own. But guys, yeah, so this is the end of the video. I will never get this until I actually try something different. Alright, I somebody help me with this. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to press the like button. Maybe about 1 like will probably be at least good for me because I really like in my videos. So 1 like will be good. Make sure to keep up my thing, and I might name this video difficult because Morse code sucks. Because it does. Morse code sucks. You suck, Morse code. You really suck. But okay, guys, well, that's it for this video. So yeah, come back and try that again. We'll see you guys. Well, peace out then. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because it's awesome. And if you talk about the house and kill your family, yeah, they're my Jigsaw voice, bitch. We'll see you guys. Like the video, subscribe, do all that stuff, and peace out.